welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to create one cool React application. Okay, so basically we are going to use the MediaPipe. Okay, MediaPipe hand tracking movement. Basically it is for like mm, AI kind of thing. Okay, so let's give you one example. Okay, so this is what, like, this is the example as you see here. So we are going to use the hand tracking movement using the MediaPipe. We are going to basically create one AirDraw application. AirDraw applications mean like it is like the computer vision application. So I will give you one example. I will show you how our application will look like. Okay, there are 21 movement out there, so we are going to use some basics. Okay, so that you can create one simple AirDraw application using React. So our application will look like this. Okay, this is the video as you see. So using the index finger we are drawing, and for thumb close means stop drawing, and two finger means we are changing the color. Okay, sorry, as you see here in this video, two finger means, okay, as you see, using the index finger, first finger we are writing, we are drawing. Okay, now uh, as you see here, if you go back, these two means we are changing the color. As you see here, now color is changed to blue. Okay, and if you see palm close mean we are stop drawing, and also palm open mean we are giving space. Okay, so we are going to create this simple AirDraw application in the React. Okay, so for that, first of all, create one React project. Okay, also we need these dependencies. So open one terminal. Here we are going to create one project. So here we are creating one for project here, React project. As you see here, React app, we are creating one React application. Okay, also we are going to use the webcam, as you already noticed in the video. We are using the webcam, so that's why we are going to install the package for accessing the webcam. Also we need to install the dependencies of the MediaPipe hand tracking. Okay, I don't think we need TensorFlow. Anyway, I don't think we don't need TensorFlow JS. We need TensorFlow hand post. Okay, also we don't need TensorFlow hand post, but anyway, just do one thing. uh, we need React DOM. Okay, also we need MediaPipe hand and MediaPipe camera utils. Okay, sorry. Okay, okay, now let's open it. This is the air drawing. Okay, so in package we have camera utils hand and React DOM. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And also we need TailwindCSS. Okay, so for that we need to copy this and paste it here. Okay, after that go to TailwindCSS in content. Okay, also in index.css we need these things. Save it and go to index.css and paste it and save it. Okay, our Tailwind is also set up perfectly. Now coming to our app.js file. Now here first of all we need our MediaTek hand tracking and webcam utils. Okay, so for that just do one thing, just cut everything. Now import React from React. Here we need sorry, effect, use ref, and also we are going to use state. Okay, now we need import hands from MediaPipe hands, and we need import camera from MediaPipe camera utils. Okay, now after that we need to export our application. Okay, we need to create the function for our application. So export default function app. Okay, so now here we need the reference of DOM elements and the previous point from our drawing, right? Previous point basically uh, the starting point of our drawing. Okay, so here we need one will be video reference. Okay, one will be canvas reference, and we don't need camera reference. Okay, camera canvas reference we need one, need constant previous point which will be used. Okay, and we need one canvas context also, we need one. Okay, so yeah, so now also we need the state for gesture information, color, and our text. Okay, so for that we need const text set text. Okay, and we need for color. Okay, set color. Use state color. Here we are going to default we are going to pick the pink color. As you see in the video, we are using the default pink color. Okay, so for that FF007F. Okay, so these things we are going to use. Okay, so this one will be color. Now const we need color index and set color index, it will be 0. Why we are using set color index? Because as you see here in the video we are changing the color. Okay, so which color we are using, for that we need the color index. Okay, also we need colors, so there are multiple colors that we are going to use as you see here. Okay, so before that our color is done, so we need one color reference to use the color. Okay, so we are using the color reference for our color. Okay, also we need one last gesture time. Okay, so we need So by default it will be stop drawing. Okay, so for that we are going to use this logo. Now we need one array of colors, as you see here, as you display here, we need one array of color. So colors will be like this, there are different colors out there. Okay, so now we need the color reference update when color is changed. Okay, we need to update our reference when the color is changed. So as you see here, uh, we are updating the color reference whenever the color is changing here. Okay, as you see here, color reference is updated based on the colors that we selected. Okay, so now we need to use our main effect. Okay, so here we need to initialize our hand map, hand pipe, media pipe hand and camera. Okay, so for that you so maximum number of hands will be 1, so model complexity is 1. Okay, so these are the by default settings. Okay, you can change it. Minimum detection confidence you can change, minimum tracking confidence you can also change. Let's suppose 0.57 only. Okay, so these things you can change. Now we need to add the helpers for gesture detection. Okay, so sorry, helper for gesture detection. Okay, so first one is the is palm open. Okay, if the palm is open, that means it is space. If it is closed, that means you need to stop drawing. Okay, so is palm open. Okay, so if it is palm open, check we need to check if all the fingers are extended or not. Okay, for that we are going to use one simple logic. Okay, so here we need to check if of the if all fingers are extended or not. Okay, for that const fingers, we need to check the fingers. Okay, so for that so this one checking the thumb check, this one checking thumb. Okay, so if not, then return extended greater than equal to 4. Okay, okay, that's it. So yeah, so is palm open functionality is done. Uh, now we need to check whether it is writing pose. we need to check whether it is two finger up. That means color is sense position. Okay, where palm open close is done. So now here is writing pose. Okay, eight, 6, 12, 10, 16, 14, 20, 18. Okay, it is correct. So this one is for is writing pose. Okay, so next we need for is writing pose is done, so we need is two finger up. Okay, if two finger up is 8, 16. Okay, now it is 12, 10. Okay, because two finger is up, right? So next one is greater than. Okay, so that's it. So now we need to check hands dot on result. Okay, it is default gesture. Okay, so now we need to detect gesture if hand we need to detect uh, gesture when user showing their hand. Okay, when through camera it is detecting the hand. After that we need to detect the gesture from our hand. Okay, okay, so this one is change color. Okay, if writing pose hands, that means it is writing or drawing anything. If palm is open, gesture, that means space. Okay, so palm open, we need this. Okay, after that we need to set the current gesture equal to gesture. Okay, now const width equal to canvas element dot width, height equal to canvas element dot height. Now we need here drawing logic. Okay, here we need drawing logic here. So if that will actually flip vertically. Okay, oh, sorry, horizontally. Okay, now here for smoothing the line, we need to do one thing. Const smooth factor. Okay, suppose 0.25. Here const and current. Okay. Now here sense color of the gesture. Okay, with so whenever it is two finger up, then we need to sense the color. Okay, yes, the finger up hands, sorry. So then we need to sense the index. Okay, color index will be sensed, and after that we need to set the color index to the new index. Okay, after that set color new index color, in the last gesture time will be the current time. Okay, so this one is done. Now this one is for draw gesture, writing pose. Okay, so for that, if is writing, and that means we need to do if, okay, just do one thing. If previous is not equal to null and previous y is not equal to null, then we begin the part, we move to previous x yx, and then just do one thing. We are not closing, we are not lying to ctx dot quadratic curve to. Okay, then we are using the smooth x and smooth y. Okay, and we are drawing the stroke. Okay, after that previous dot current equal to, yeah, it is done, else pref current equal to x null and y null. Okay, if it is not drawing. Okay, now for the space gesture. Okay, for the palm open, so here if it is palm is open and now greater than this, then after that we need to set text. Okay, we are giving one space here, as you see here, we are giving one space here with one tab. Okay, so after that last gesture time equal to current equal to current time. Okay, after that it will be null. Okay, so it is if. Okay, now it is else, it is not. Okay, now it is correct, we are using one bracket extra. Okay, so now we need we need to initialize our webcam here. Okay, after everything we need to initialize our webcam here. Video element const camera. Okay, on frame. Okay, it will be 640 and height will be this. Camera will be start. Okay, So here we need to set color index and color. Okay, also one more thing we need to clear the canvas also, right? So clear canvas. If not city, then return canvas to canvas current. Okay, we are going to clear the canvas here. Now we need to do our UI part here. Okay, so everything functionality is everything done here. Okay, this is our drawing logic as you see here. This is for a sense to gesture, this is for a drawing gesture, this is for a space gesture. Okay, and this is for our video element, this is for webcam. Okay, this one is to check which this is for the information that we are showing, that after whenever user is changing some position, for the information we are showing this. Okay, by default gesture is for stop drawing. You can use by default gesture anything. Okay, this is for two finger up, because this is for the detection part. This way this model will be detect that this is two finger up, this is writing pose, or this is palm open. If it is not, then palm is closed. Okay, this is for us for hand, for this is for options for the hand, and this is our model. From this link we are going to initialize our MediaPipe hands. Okay, so yeah, that's it for functionality. Now we need to do our UI part. We need to design our UI part here. Okay, now that will be UI. Okay, so for, as we are using Tailwind, so for that we can do our design easily. Okay, so flex window will be screen, so it will take the full screen. Height will be take full screen. Background will be gradient to beer. From, we are going to use let 900 to, we are going via, we are using indigo suppose 900 to, we are going to use the slat 800. Okay, text will be white, so text will be white. Let's just do one thing, let's just save it and run it to check whether our Tailwind is working fine or not. Okay, okay, so we need to do the coding first, then we will check. Okay, because as we are initialize everything but we are not using it, so that's why I think it is giving the error. Okay, let's just do one thing, let's just do the coding first. Okay, let's just design it. Okay, first of all, Okay, so it is working fine. If you see here, everything is working fine. So this is our clear button. So this is the gesture information, okay, and it is showing here in this is the information as you see here, and this is the text overlay or the output overlay, whatever the user is using. Okay, so this is the current gesture. As you see here, current gesture is showing here. Okay, this is the current gesture. By default there is nothing is no hand is up there. That's why it is showing stop gesture, because our by default gesture is stop gesture, as you already uh, do it here. As you see here, our default gesture is stop drawing. Okay, so in the top left corner there is our video reference. As you see here, video reference are there with one live camera feed text below it. As you see, live camera feed text below in our video. Okay, after that there is our canvas. Width is 900 and height is 480. Width is 900, height is 480. Okay, we need to give some padding. Anyway, you can design it according to your need. After that there is gesture information. As you see, stop drawing as like you, and inside the canvas we are doing our drawing thing. As you see here, sorry, if you see, now this is stop gesture. Now I am writing. As you see, I am writing anything here because I am using my index finger. Okay, now I need to sense. So for that we need to use the tool. As you see, now it is green, orange, and now also changing color. If you now it is stop. As you see, it is stop. As you see in the below, as you see below, it is stop. Now I need to writing. This is drawing. Now palm open means space. As you see here, it is space. Now it is taking some space. Now again I am writing. As you see here, I am writing. Okay, so this is the AirDraw application that you can build using React application and MediaPipe hand. Okay, now you can use it in different module or different project according to your need. Okay, thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, do like this video, share this video with your friend. Also, if you are new in this channel, subscribe to my channel, because you will get many more fun video, important video regarding Flutter application, regarding React web app. Everything you are going to get in this channel. Okay, for that you need to do one thing, you need to subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you so much.